Hey, this is Lori. I'm the Customer Service Manager here at Paul C. Buff Incorporated. Today I'm going to talk to you about our moon unit, what it does, how to assemble it, and most importantly, how to attach it to your AlienBees Ringflash. Let's get started. The moon unit's a light modifier that acts like an octabox, but it's designed specifically for our ring flash. It softens and spreads the light and helps eliminate backdrop shadows, and it produces really cool catch lights in the eyes. What you'll find in the box when you receive your moon unit is you will get the main fabric, which is the gold and silver reversible fabric. The silver is going to give you more of a natural color skin tone, and the gold will of course be a little bit of a warmer skin tone. The white front diffusion panel, an opaque black mask that goes around the edge of the diffusion for perfectly round catch lights, a reflector which mounts into the center of the ring flash and bounces the light, a set of rods to assemble the moon unit, and finally the speed ring designed to attach the moon unit to your AlienBees Ringflash. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's go over how to assemble the moon unit. Okay, first determine whether you want the silver backing or the gold backing to be on the inside of your moon unit. For this video, we're going to have the silver side on the inside. So lay your fabric out, and then you're going to take your speed ring with the smaller end facing up and just center that around the open hole in the fabric. Then you're going to take your rods. You'll only be using 8 of the rods, and you're going to insert the rod in each hole, well actually every other hole, because there are 16 holes on here, but there's only 8 rods that you'll be using. So you just work around and get them all in every other hole. Now that you've got that assembled, it looks something like this. You're going to go and you're going to insert each little rod into one of the corner pockets. And you're just going to work your way around the whole moon unit until all 8 are in. Once you have it assembled, it should look something like this. Okay, before we put the white front diffuser on the front of the moon unit, we're going to go ahead and attach the moon unit to the front of the ring flash because it'll be easier for you to see what you're doing. So what you want to do is you want to line up these little L-shaped ledges to the ledges on the front face of the ring flash. Or you can line up this, look at it as a long ledge to long ledge. So you line it up just like so, and then once you get it lined up, you're going to push back and you'll feel it snap back into place. And once it's on there, this is like a track. You should be easily be able to spin it freely, and it'll go all the way around without coming off. Once you've got it in the track correctly, be sure to go back and lock it into place. And now it's on. Now that we have the moon unit securely fastened to the front of the ring flash, we can go ahead and put on our white front diffuser fabric. And you just slot each of the little pockets around the points. And work your way all the way around until it's all the way on. Once you have your white fabric in place, you can go ahead and take the black edging and put it on the same way. It just kind of fits on each corner pocket. And the black edging forms the perfectly round catch light in the eyes. Now that you have the white front diffuser and the black edging on the front of the ring flash, you're ready to install the reflector into the chamber of the ring flash. First, we have to make sure and unlock. And then you're going to see that this has like 3 little L shapes on it, sort of. And you're going to line it up with these 3 ledges in here. So you just spin it around and it kind of rotates once, and you'll feel it. When you can't turn it any longer, that means it's ready to lock into place. And then you're all set to go. Voila! We hope you found this video helpful, but if you need anything else or if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 800-443-5542, Monday through Friday, 9 until 5 Central Time. You can also shoot us an email at info@paulcbuff.com. Thanks!